We often kill our dreams by saying, "I will do it tomorrow," thinking we have forever to change our lives. But the harsh truth is, time is the only thing in this world that you can spend, but you can never, ever earn back. To understand this better, let me tell you a story about a young man named Leo. Leo was a very clever boy. He was intelligent, kind, and had big dreams. He wanted to become a successful business owner. Everyone told him, "Leo, you have so much potential. You're going to do great things." But Leo had a very dangerous habit. He loved the word tomorrow. When he had an exam to study for, he would say, "I will start tomorrow. The exam is far away." When he needed to learn a new skill for his job, he said, "I am too tired today. I will do it on the weekend." When his parents wanted to sit and talk with him, he said, "Later, I am busy watching a movie right now." Leo lived in a bubble. He thought time was endless. He spent hours scrolling through his phone, sleeping late, and doing things that gave him no value. He wasn't a bad person. He was just wasting his most valuable asset. One day, a huge opportunity came to his city. A top international company opened a branch and was looking for a manager. It was the job of a lifetime. High salary, great respect, and a chance to travel the world. Leo was excited. "This is perfect for me," he thought. The interview was in 2 weeks. He needed to prepare a presentation and study some business case studies. Day 1 passed. Leo thought, "I have 14 days. That is a long time. I will relax today." Day 7 passed. Leo went out with friends to a party. "I still have 1 week," he told himself. "I am smart. I can finish it quickly." Day 13 passed. Suddenly, it was the night before the interview. Panic hit Leo hard. He sat at his desk, staring at a blank screen. He tried to rush. He drank coffee after coffee. He was stressed, sweating, and his mind was blocked. He tried to cram 2 weeks of work into 6 hours. The quality of his work was terrible, and deep down, he knew it. The next morning, Leo went to the interview with red, tired eyes. When the interviewers asked him questions, his mind went blank. He couldn't answer properly. His presentation was messy. The head interviewer looked at Leo and closed his file. He said, "Leo, you are a charming young man, but we are looking for someone who values discipline. We gave you 2 weeks, and you look like you prepared this morning. We cannot hire someone who doesn't respect their own time." Leo didn't get the job. He walked out of the building feeling crushed. He went to a nearby park and sat on a bench, burying his face in his hands. He felt like a failure. An old man was sitting on the same bench, feeding the birds. He saw Leo upset and asked, "What is wrong, son? Did you lose your wallet?" Leo shook his head. "No, I lost my future. I missed a big opportunity because I didn't have enough time." The old man smiled gently. "You didn't have enough time? Or did you waste the time you had?" Leo went silent. The old man continued, "Son, time is the only thing in this world that is fair. The rich man gets 24 hours. The poor man gets 24 hours. The successful student gets 24 hours, and the student who fails gets the same 24 hours. The difference is not how much time you have, but how you use it." He pointed to his watch. "You cannot kill time without injuring eternity. You kept saying tomorrow, but tomorrow is just a promise. Today is the only cash you have in your hand. Spend it wisely." That conversation changed Leo. He realized that while he was waiting for the perfect time, life was passing him by. He went home and made a promise to himself. He stopped saying, "I will do it later." He started saying, "I will do it now." He started waking up 1 hour earlier to read. When he studied, he put his phone away. When he worked, he focused completely. It wasn't easy, but slowly, his life changed. 2 years later, Leo didn't just find a job. He started his own company. He became the success everyone knew he could be. So, what does this story teach us? It teaches us that waiting feels comfortable, but it is a trap. Your exams, your career, your dreams, they are waiting for you to take action. Small efforts, done every day, lead to massive success over time. Time is free, but it is priceless. You can't own it, but you can use it. And once it is gone, you can never get it back. So, don't wait for tomorrow. Make today count. Thank you for watching. Stay focused and keep moving forward.